If your Cash App account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your account number, email address, and any communication you've received from Cash App regarding the restriction. Step 2. Access Cash App support. Open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the profile icon. Scroll down and select Cash Support to access the support section. Step 3. Submit a request. In the Cash Support section, choose something else and then select Account Settings. From there, look for the option to appeal restriction and click on it. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the appeal form with the necessary information. Be clear and concise about why you believe the restriction should be lifted, and include any supporting evidence if applicable. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Cash App. It may take a few days for them to review your case and get back to you. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on Cash App. Remember to be patient and check your email regularly for updates.